Hello and welcome to day one of our meditation challenge. I'm Kim Colegrove. I'm going to walk you through the 30 days and I'm really glad you're here. I'm excited, can you tell? So let's jump right in. I promised you that your investment of time each day would be no more than 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to keep these short and sweet. Today we're going to start by just kind of settling into the challenge. I'd like you to think of these 30 days as experimentation. We're just going to kind of experiment. And what we're really doing is we are training our brains and bodies to allow us to sit still and just breathe and be for just a few minutes. Now, as we move forward, we can talk more about the benefits of meditation and why it's a good idea to train your brain and body to sit still and allow you to just breathe and be for a few minutes. I'm not going to spend any time today. If you haven't watched my free mini course, Meditation 101, you can go do that. All right. Today, as a starter, we are going to focus on our breath as we meditate. As we move through the 30 days, I'm going to introduce you to different approaches and different techniques, and I'll kind of explain the difference between the techniques. What I want you to focus on right now is training yourself to be able to sit still and just breathe and relax and follow along with my voice and my guidance. Sitting comfortably now. Each day when you tap in here, you'll want to make sure that you have 5 to 10 minutes to sit still and that you'll be uninterrupted, that maybe you'll be by yourself. Turn your phone off or turn it on silent and really give yourself the gift of these few minutes, okay? So I'd like you to sit comfortably. You can kick your shoes off if you want to. Make sure that your back's supported or you're in a comfy position. And we're going to take just a few minutes here to kick off day one, to relax, to do a little breathing. And as we ease into the meditation, if your mind gets really active, if the thoughts kind of bombard you, if you feel like you're easily distracted, your mind's kind of all over the place, or you find yourself thinking about, what you're going to do after this or anything like that, which is common, that's normal. If that happens, what I want you to do just for this meditation is every time you notice that your mind has wandered or you've gotten distracted, I just want you to connect your mind with your breathing. Okay, so you're going to bring your mind back to where your body is and connect with your breathing. So pay attention to your breathing. So the breathing, the breath, is going to be the anchor that kind of helps us stay in the meditation, and it will be kind of the lifeline we use to pull ourselves back when we find ourselves, you know, way down thought road on the thought train. Okay, nice and comfy now. I will invite you to close your eyes down. And I'd like you to start by taking a nice deep breath. Just really inhale and let it out. I just want you to change your breathing a little bit here to help you shift from what you've been doing into a couple of minutes of meditation. So, a couple more breaths like that where you breathe a little deeper than you've been breathing, and really make sure you exhale and push all that old, stale air out. And now, as we move forward into the guided meditation, I'll recommend that you continue with some deep, slow, purposeful breathing. But if at any time during the meditation it's more comfortable for you to let your breath regulate, then do that. Okay? I teach meditation in 3 simple steps, which I'll walk you through right now. Those steps are breathe, body, be. So I'd like you to take a nice deep breath now. There's step 1, breathe. And bring your awareness to the top of your head. Just kind of think about your scalp. And imagine a wave of relaxation moves across your scalp. And this wave of relaxation sinks down the back of your head, the sides of your head, and eases down into your forehead. Feel your forehead relax and feel this relaxation sink down into your eyebrows and your eyelids Relax your eyes and feel the relaxation ease down into your cheeks. Relax your mouth. Relax your tongue. Relax your jaws. And just breathe. Just breathe. Now, I'd like you to imagine this relaxation eases down the back of your head into your neck, wraps around the sides of your neck into your throat, sinks down into your chest, through your shoulders, through your arms, through your elbows, through your forearms, through your wrists, into your hands. Relax your hands and fingers and gently bring your awareness to your shoulders. Nice inhale here. And you'll notice your shoulders rise just a little bit. And as you exhale, let those shoulders sink down. Let those shoulders ease down away from your ears. Relax your shoulders, relax your upper back, relax your middle back. Feel the relaxation wrap around your sides into your belly. Take a nice breath here. Feel your belly expand. And as you exhale, let your body relax. Let your midsection relax. Let your belly relax and feel that relaxation sink down through your hips, through your thighs, through your knees, through your calves, through your ankles and into your feet. Relax your feet, relax your toes, and just breathe. That was step 2, body. Now our awareness is on our breathing and our body. And now we're going to take a couple of minutes to just be. So eyes closed, deep, slow breathing, or whatever type of breathing feels best to you right now. Breathe, rest, relax. And if your mind wanders or the thoughts get active, pay attention to your breath. Take a nice deep breath, connecting your mind to that breath, and gently bringing your awareness back into the moment, back to yourself, to your body, allowing your body to relax, and back to the breathing. Just breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Sit here for as long as you'd like. I'm going to wrap up and end this guided meditation, this day 1 guided meditation, but you sit here as long as you'd like. Just continuing to breathe and relax. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.